Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to recognize the direction of a trend, or like where the overall trend is heading. For this for to recognize the direction of a trend, all you have to do is you're going to have to know where the you will also use indicators. And for this for especially for recognizing the direction of a trend, you will also have to recognize the support and resistance levels. Now as you can see here in my chart as well, you can also see here, as I draw as I drag this mouse cursor here, you can see that this area the below area acts as a resistance level. So as it broke this line, the a strong bullish candlestick occur, it broke the line and is now trading in the upward direction. Now as you can see here, note this point at this level. At this level here, you can see the mouse cursor. It again touched that resistance level, and then it moved in the upper moved ahead. So as it touched, it confirms that now it's a bullish trend. This is also helpful from my chart as well. Now let's move on to this actual chart. Now as you can see here, this is a major area of support level. Let me draw a line here, sorry, a horizontal line. Now you can see this is a major area of resistance, and the below one acts as a major area of make it right. This acts as a major area of major support level, and this a resistance level. Now as you can see here, if the prices go up and broke this line, now for the time being it's trading in a side trend. As it is trading now, if this trend broke the resistance level, and again it moves like this, watch the cursor, it moves like this and hit the line again and then moved. So it means that it is a bullish trend, meaning moving in an uptrend. Now if it starts to turn downward, trending in the downward direction, as it is trending in the downward direction, and it broke the line from below and hit the line here and then moved below, so it means that it is a downtrend. Now what you will do, if you want to trade in a side trend like this, I've pulled up, always buy when the stock touches the support level, and sell as it comes closer to the resistance level. Now one more thing you will have to consider here, that you will also have to watch out for the bullishness and bearishness of the candlesticks. A strong bullish candlestick means that the trend will move upward, but in this case a strong bullish candle and a strong bearish, again as the bullish candlesticks occurs, the trend, it pushed the stocks in the upward direction, as you can see here. But you will also have to watch out for the sellers, because in this type of trend, like when it's trading in a side trend where the market is volatile, the sellers will be selling their stocks at these levels, because small amounts of profits are much more for them. Now as you can see, the moving average is not the moving average and the parabolic stars are not of that much use in this case here. As you can see, they do not show of where the market will head, but you're going to use support and resistance level for this purpose, because they show great they give you a greater concept of where the trend of where the overall trend is heading. Now as you can also use the RSI as well. You can see here that this is the oversold area, and this acts as an overbought area, so you can use this as well. You can use indicators according to your need, like whatever suits you the best and whatever gives you the better results for trading. Now you can see here what I've showed to you, that support and resistance levels are of great use in this case. Let's move on to the other chart. Now you can see here it's a side trend and also a downtrend. Let me pull up this here and another one right here. Now you can see again that that this is a major area of support level and this is a major area of resistance level. Again the same concept, it's trending in a side trend, it touched this resistance level at two different points and now it's trading below the resistance level in a side trend. Again the market here is volatile, don't know whether who will win the battle between the bulls, and the battle going between the bulls and the bears, don't know who will win. Again I will tell you that again I will mention here that sometimes the indicators um, are not useful in identifying the direction of the trend. So for this case you will use your own judgment of where the overall trend is heading. You will have to look for like you can see here bullishness, strong bullish candle against strong bearish candle. You can see that now it's trending over here. Now we will have to wait for the other candlesticks to show us where the overall market is heading. Now again the same principle can be applied. Buy at this level here and sell at this level here. You can also use these as well for like to for your support and resistance levels. So sometimes the indicators, the moving average, can also be of guide to you, showing you where the overall market is heading. Now let me show you another thing. Let me do one thing with the moving average. As you can see, it is a 9-day moving average. I will shift it to 200. Now you can see here you can buy the stocks at this level, because whenever the stocks are trading below this moving average, the 200-day moving average, you can buy these stocks here and sell as it are trading above this moving day average. It's a 200-day moving average, so you can do these as well. You can also use the parabolic SAR. Whatever indicators you use suits you best. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.